So here we are at La Palma, yeah, with your Coco Colada, and this is one of the smallest of the Canary Islands, and we're parked up behind the Morella Green Valletta. I presume is all the way from Malta.
That's the Maltese flag, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is it? No, it's the Maltese flag.
Well, you see, it's definitely got some link to Malta.
Yeah.
Some way, shape or form, isn't it? Nice little pool. Mind you, I kind of like ours.
Oh, this is lovely.
It's great, isn't it? It is, it's so cool. I mean, I feel bad not for making it to the mainland, but I quite enjoy sitting here and the view.
That's what I just said to my wife. We should have got off really, but the way they were saying it yesterday, there was nothing here, but it looks lovely, doesn't it?
Yeah, but it looks lovely from here.
Yeah.
And I'm quite happy with that, especially with the missus in the chair and that. But the thing is, if I was here 2-3 days, then definitely, of course, I'd be everywhere. Yeah, but
we don't get off all the time. We do a lot of calls to that, but we don't get off all the time.
But as it is, I mean, this is lovely.
Yeah,
it is.
It's a dream. When you tell people don't realise how nice they are today.
Well, we got to do one. This is our second. We got to do one over. It was about 16 years ago, and we was both working there. So like every port of call, we were on it, and here, there, and everywhere. And now, we can't really do that. But this is lovely, isn't it? You enjoying yourself? Yeah. Do you want some more to eat? Huh?
Yeah.
Where's the smiley? Ah, there's a nice smiley. Can I have another nice smiley? Or am I pushing it? I'm pushing it, aren't I? So have a look at your hands, they're steady. And okay, that's the PALMA done. And Peanut. Last smile and a wave. Oh, cutie. That's it.
There's one deck, isn't there? Only got one deck.
Oh, I'm going to lose it. I think we'll go with that. It's a wrap.